Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. In the last video, we installed the front mount intercooler and the injectors, and we left off with installing the base map and driving the car home and the engine idle being a little bit rough. So what we did to fix that is I reached out to my tuner and he had informed me that the base map that he gave me was for E85 and that I needed to go back and plug in all of my E85 stuff. I had left it unplugged because I didn't have the map for it yet. So now that I have the map, I plugged in all my E85 stuff and the idle is perfect. So we got that problem solved. What we're doing today now is we're going to be installing the AEM fuel pumps, and then we're going to be headed out to San Jose to get the car tuned. So let's jump into the project of getting the fuel pumps installed today so that way we can get on the road in time. For those of you who don't know, the fuel pumps are actually located in the back of the car. They're underneath the back seat on the passenger side. So I've got to clean that out real quick. Get the seat as far forward as we can get it. I got my sweater, I got this, I got that. And basically, all we have to do is grab this seat. It should just yank. Oh, where is it? There we go. Boom. So this comes up. It's got a nice tail there. That's funny. Okay. That was easy. Actually, you grab this and it releases it. There's a dead moth right there. That's neat. Godzilla killed Mothra and its remains are in my car. Look at that. Okay, so we've got the fuel pumps in here. So all we have to do is turn these and then we can pull out the top and we can see what we're working with. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, then okay, we've got these two connectors. We've got to disconnect this one, and then these are fuel lines. So the problem that we're gonna run into is when we undo these, there's pressure in the lines and fuel's gonna get everywhere. So we're gonna have to get a bunch of towels and just kinda deal with it. What you can do, the right thing to do would be to depressurize the fuel system, but I'm gonna bypass that because that's how I roll. So we got our towels down and this is gonna be our workspace for when we undo these connectors. Now, before we move forward with this install, I want to give a quick shout out to this really awesome page on YouTube, Bros for Speed. And I'm going to put a link to their channel in the description below. They've already done this install and they made a really good video, and it's the video that I'm following to do this install on my car. So I'm literally watching the video on my phone and then doing the install in my car. So huge shout out to them. Thanks guys, I really appreciate all that you do for the GTR community and all the work and install videos that you guys show. So now let's get on with this install. Here we are, switched over to the POV view, so that way I can use both my hands and record, but basically we're gonna undo these, and I'm super hesitant right now because I just know what a mess it's gonna make, but I mean, we gotta do what we gotta do. So squeeze these, pull this tab. Okay, that one wasn't so bad, but there's still gas in there. So we're gonna let that come out. Okay, get that one up and out of the way. All right, now I believe this is the one that has the more pressure and more gas. We'll see though. Hopefully it's not too bad. Ooh. That like squirted everywhere. That was fun. A couple drops of gas went on my face. We had some spray. That was good times. Definitely good times. Now we're gonna soak up all the gas that spilled down here. This is our workspace now. So the next step is to remove all of these bolts, and then we're gonna pull out this white piece. So I'm gonna do that right now. This comes up. Is your car even lower? No? I just never see it during the day, like ever.
Got my blow-up valve on.
Nice. Nice. All right, well, here we go, guys. Ready to pull this bad boy out. So we got some wires that we gotta get out. I'm gonna give you this one. This is a clean one. Ready to be dirty. Well, I guess I'm at the part where I have to put my hand in there.
Are you?
Yeah, I don't wanna do it.
Blood, sweat, tears.
I know, right? Blood, sweat, tears, and gas. Dude, I've got hella hangnails.
It's probably gonna hurt.
This is gonna hurt. Okay, all right.
It's gonna sting.
It's gonna sting. I have no idea what I'm reaching for. Okay, I think that was it. So, oh.
It doesn't look that big.
Oh, just wait, it goes back hella far. Yeah, man, this is crazy. They were like, how do we make this as tight as possible?
Holy sh**.
Told you I went back for days, dude. Okay, so the next thing.
Unplug those at the bottom, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Dude, I need to wash my hand. It's starting to burn, like really, really bad. Oh my God, it's starting to like really burn.
Just need to unplug those and remember where
Okay, so the 90 to the green, that's easy. Okay. And then this one. All right, well, here we go. Okay, so he squeezes. Oh, I think I see. So we went like this, and then do you want to take a screwdriver? Here, take a super small one. Put it in right there.
Got it.
And then turn. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Okay, okay.
That was good.
I can't even do it because... Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay.
So the blue is the power for that, and black is ground, and then the red is the power for the other one.
That makes perfect sense. I get it. Okay, wasn't too bad.
Look at us, we're smart.
Yep.
Now, one thing you're going to notice on this piece right here, we have a plastic little retainer thing. There is a rubber O-ring that I'm assuming is left inside here. That's what I saw in some videos. We need to get that off and replace it with what the kit comes with. So definitely replace the O-ring.
Okay, so old one, old O-ring.
New one.
New one, all right. And
This is the new.
And that's the new O-ring. All right, no more POV cam. Ran out of batteries. So now we're at the point of, all right, we got these white pieces on, we got the O-rings on, and we're ready to just cram them back in.
Gotta freaking yeet it in there.
Yeet.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, yours is just stubborn.
There we go. Okay. That wasn't too bad. I just put a bunch of, ugh. We got those indents. Ugh.
Holes in your palm.
There we go. When you get it perfect, it literally just goes clip. Now we're cooking. We're flying. This is easy.
Easy.
This is easy. All right, so now that we've got the fuel pumps put back into the assembly, we're gonna take the assembly and close it back up, which really shouldn't be too hard. famous last words. That shouldn't be too hard, but like,
Shouldn't be too bad.
all these clips should just line up. This shouldn't have to go on yet, so we should just be able to push down now.
Nice.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks in now.
This went in here. Yes.
Cool. That's so satisfying when stuff just like clicks in, you know?
Oh, I know, dude. You're telling me.
That's so satisfying.
Now we're ready to go pop it back into the car. I gotta shove this guy in there.
Okay.
Okay. Let me get a click. There we go. The hard part
This
is
is the hard part.
dropping it in and then
It clips into the side of the tank somewhere, doesn't it?
finding. Yeah, where the. What? This goes on something. I think the way that I'm gonna do this is I'm just gonna shove it in there, and apparently these are tracks right here, and there's some tracks down in there that have to slide through this to hold it in place, and then this tab keeps it steady. So I'm gonna shove this in there and then figure out the track part next, right? Just one step at a time.
If you get this in the first couple of minutes, I will be thoroughly impressed.
I can see right here. That was it. That was it.
Wow.
Boom!
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Owen Wilson, wow. Wow.
All right. So
Holy crap.
that wasn't
I'm impressed.
that wasn't too bad.
I'm
but
impressed.
Here's the part that is bad. Lining it up on the tracks and the tab. So my hand already burns. My skin's already dry. It's already red. But we gotta do what we gotta do.
We have an hour.
We got an hour to get the done.
You have an hour to get that in.
Oh.
Did you get it?
Oh, something happened. Hold on, I think I need two hands.
Okay.
Oh my god,
What?
I got it.
No way. Did it like snap in place?
Yep.
You're a pro.
I haven't been able to get the tab yet. That's it.
Okay. And as long as it's not moving and it feels like it's secure, then
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I'm feeling, yeah. Next thing I'm gonna do is go wash my hands. Oh.
let's see here. Wow. 2-pump boy. So in my car, I only had 1 pump. So this is 2 340s, and mine had 1 450. So those 2 pumps are gonna send a lot of fuel for sure. Here's my car. She's getting wrapped soon. Couple weeks, like 2-3 weeks. She will be wrapped as well.
I just had to go wash my hands because keeping your hands in gas is very uncomfortable. Like my hands are like burning and they were tingling. So now that I washed them, they still burn a little bit, but it's not as bad. We're ready to clip on these hoses. Now we put these on. Okay, that was it.
Snap everything back in. Yeah.
Boom. And then I literally had this screwdriver for like probably 15 years.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I've ever seen a pink screwdriver.
First time for everything, man. That's it.
Done.
Like, project is done.
Done.
Let's start up the car and see if it actually works.
Yes.
Ready?
Yep.
It's in, we're done. So the next step is we are going to head out to San Jose to get the car tuned by the great Gary Baines. Maybe I'll put a link in the description below, maybe not, depends on how I'm feeling. And that's gonna be for a whole nother video. So this video was just the install of the fuel pumps. We got that done. So I'm gonna sign off this video right now. You can see the next part of getting the car tuned in the next video, which will be dropping within a few days after this video. So thanks for stopping by my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.